So in this video we have to write our code in edit contact info. So first of all we have to check it out that if phone number is exist in our database or not. So if phone number is in self dot data, and also the phone number should not equal to be none, numbr not equal to none. And so if phone number is not equal to none and if phone number in self dot data, so then here we have to do some operations. In the else condition we can simply print like please the phone number like that does not exist, phone number does not exist in the database. So like that we can show a message. Now here, as we know that we are storing information in a list, so what we will do here, we will get that list info is equal to self dot data. In that we will put our phone number. Okay, so now we will see, now we have our list info. So if our name is not equal to none, then we have to update our name. So list info of 0 will be our new name. Similarly, if our address is not equal to none, then also we have to update our information, as we are storing address, phone number and email. Okay, so it will be our address. Then we have, if we cannot update our phone number, but we can update our email. So if email is not equal to none, then our last info of 0, 1, 2 and 3 will be email. So now let's assume if someone want to change the phone number, then it is like we can't change phone number because it is a key. So if you want to change a phone number, then you can delete it. There is no need to change a phone number. And now we have to do a very simple operation. We have to update our dictionary also. So data of our key, that is phone number, will be our list of info. And here we can print output. In that we can write data updated successfully. So like that we can print the information, as here we got a list of our information. Then we check it out, if values are not equal to none, then we will update it. And in the end we are using a phone number as a key to update our dictionary. So like that we can write code in edit contact method. Now in the next video we will write code in the search contact. Or first of all, here we will test our code. We wrote 3 methods here, so in the next video we will test these 3 methods.